click a link because a sundress caught your eye, and suddenly you are staring at a website that feels just a little bit too quiet. It has that breezy coastal charm calling itself a Charleston boutique, yet something feels off the moment you start digging. Most local shops in a city like that have a trail of breadcrumbs. You expect to find dozens of Google reviews from tourists who stopped in for a scarf. You look for tagged photos on social media from locals showing off their latest finds. But with this particular shop, the digital streets are empty. There is no chatter. There are no candid photos of the storefront. It is a ghost town dressed up in pastel colors. This is the classic trap of the modern era where a site looks established on the surface but lacks any real soul underneath. Usually, a genuine small business is loud. They want you to see their faces. They want you to see the shop dog and the morning coffee runs. Here, you get none of that. It is all generic stock imagery and polished layouts that could have been whipped up in an afternoon. When you put all these pieces together, the picture is not of a thriving southern shop, but of a calculated risk. It is one of those situations where your gut starts to prickle for a reason. You want to believe it is a hidden gem. But hidden gems still leave footprints. Without those footprints, you are basically handing your credit card information to a mystery box. Think about how many times we see these sites pop up with a name that sounds friendly and familiar. They use names that feel like people you could know. But where are the actual people? If nobody in Charleston is talking about this place, then why are they claiming that identity? It feels like a costume. The lack of a steady footprint is a loud warning bell in a world where every legitimate business is fighting for attention. If they are not fighting for attention on social platforms, they might not be what they claim to be. It is frustrating because the clothes look great in the photos. That is how they get you. They show you a lifestyle that does not actually exist behind the screen. You have to ask yourself why there are no layers to this story. A real boutique has layers of history and customer interaction. This one is paper thin. It is a surface level operation that lacks the depth of a trusted brand. You should be extremely careful before you hit that checkout button. Do not let a pretty layout blind you to the fact that the house might be empty. It is better to wait and find a store with a proven track record than to lose your money to a site that might vanish tomorrow. This is a classic be careful situation. If the vibe is missing the local heart, the business is likely missing the local reality. Stay sharp and look for the proof before you pay. The internet is full of these pop-up shops that use specific city names to build unearned trust. They want you to feel that southern hospitality through your screen, but they offer none of the accountability. If there is no phone number to call or no physical address you can find on a map, you are walking into a trap. These sites often use aggressive advertising to find people who are just looking for a deal. They rely on the fact that we are busy. They hope we will not do our homework. But the homework is essential. You have to look for those Google reviews. You have to see if real people are wearing the clothes in their own homes. If all the photos are professional models in a studio, that is a huge red flag. Real boutiques love it when customers share their own style. This site is a vacuum. It pulls you in but gives nothing back. Be smart with your money. Do not let a well-designed font and a few nice pictures lead you into a scam. If it feels like a shell, it probably is a shell. Always verify the footprint before you join the digital line.